game here. Number 2 looking to score, looking to penetrate. Looking to, oh, what a crossover move. And nice move, young man. 5-3 in favor of Don Bosco Makati. 5-3 in favor of Don Bosco Makati with the bonus free throw from number 2. Score 6-3 in favor of Don Bosco Makati. 28 seconds to do one prep to make a run. Remember number 4. Number 2 again. This kid got handles. Look at that crossover. Wow. What a shot. No good. Number 2, Diliman Prep still has a chance. 12 seconds to make a run. Out of bounds. 9 seconds to go for Diliman Prep. Bosco Makati on the ball. They're just holding it. 2 seconds, 1 second. Game over. Congratulations once again to Don Bosco Makati.